Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Food Paradise.
I'm Ben Hedges.
I'm CiCi Lee.
I've been very busy. I don't even have time to eat breakfast.
I believe that you must be very busy. You have to film commercial and TV, but breakfast is very important. Okay, doesn't matter how busy you are, you should really eat breakfast. How about this? Let me teach you a very simple tomato egg omelet in a mug recipe.
Wow. So I can just bake it and go like this?
Yep, you can eat it in a Subway too. The ingredients are very easy. We have 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of water, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, then 1 handful of chopped tomatoes and scallions. Then what do?
Put it in a microwave?
Very smart! We put it in a microwave for 2 minutes. So when you put it in a microwave, the surrounding will be cooked first. So I like to cook it for a minute first, then 30 seconds. Add another 30 seconds at the end. How about give it a try?
This is very delicious. It has the texture of traditional Chinese stir-fry egg with tomato.
Oh, I'm so happy now.
Please comment below and let us know what other easy recipes you would like to learn.
We will try to make it happen for you.
CiCi is the food expert and she can teach you.
Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye!